Hello everyone, welcome to ALU Foundation. So we are going to conduct a basic Python certification workshop. It is completely free and you can join this by scanning this code or the link is given in the description. Register it or you can contact me. So why it is best? Because we are going to provide you letter and certificate of completion. It will be in online mode. It is a free of cost. Anyone can join it. It having a flexible deadlines, the beginner level, everything will cover all the basics of Python, and we there are the project. Okay, we will work on a project. Now let's see the syllabus that we are going to cover in this workshop. So the syllabus, so first we will cover introduction to syntax and a Python program. We will see its features, its building block, how to set up the environment, how to install your Python in your laptop or machine. We will run a simple Python code that displays a welcome message, and we will see the Python data types. In unit number 2, we will discuss Python operators and control flow statements. That is basic operators we will see, conditional statement we will see, looping we will see, and loop manipulation we are going to see. In third unit, we will see all the data structures in Python. We will see list, how to declare a list, access a list, delete a list. We will see its operations and its functions. Same case we will see for tuples, how to access the tuple, delete a tuple, update a tuple, and we will see basic tuple operations and tuple functions. Third, we will see sets. What is a set? How to access a set? How to delete a value from a set? How to update a value from a set? And we will see its basic operations and basic functions, built-in functions. Same we will see for the dictionaries, accessing the values from a dictionary, delete the values in a dictionary, updating dictionary. Same we will see dictionary operations and we will see dictionaries function. So you can register by scanning this code or the link is given in the descriptions. Thank you.